Welcome to Kids Grab and Go Decorate a Pot. This comes with stickers and some fun metallic markers, and of course, soil, seeds, and a pot. First, you'll notice as you separate the two plastic pieces of the pot that there's an inner liner. This is a piece of paper that looks kind of like an arc of a rainbow. You'll find that it's curved and it might make it tricky to decorate, so if you curve it the opposite direction, that should help to make it flat again. And now that you have it flattened out, go ahead and grab your stickers and markers and your creative fun juices. You can set it up any way you like. I decided to put some fun words that made me think of springtime and positivity. You can decorate however you like. Little dots, little stripes, whatever you decide. Once you've decorated, you can slide it back in and put the white plastic back inside, and it should snap back together. Next step. With the Ziploc of soil, go ahead and carefully dump in the soil. I do think it's important to save just a little bit of soil to put on the top so that once you put the seeds in, which you see right here, you'll have something to top it. Some important information is contained on this seed packet. Be sure to look it over with your grown-up and decide. I found about 6 weeks prior to your last frost is safe. Of course, this is going to be inside to begin. You see right here with our pencil, that's where we are. And that'll tell you roughly when the right time to have your seeds be ready to plant. They're really tiny, aren't they? Almost like specks of pepper. They do recommend spacing them apart. And once you've done that, there you go. Put some more soil on top and gently smash it down. Now, you might have a special sprayer. Now, I was here at the library, so I just used my fingers and just gently dripped water on top. You don't want to soak it. Just a little bit of water will do. Again, if you have a sprayer bottle to spray water gently on it, that's a great idea too. And of course, put it by a sunny window. Enjoy what spring has for you in store with bright colors with Decorate a Pot. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Manlius Library.